Hi there! Welcome back! In this video, we're going to build a fun and simple SwiftUI app called Drawing Challenge. It lets users draw freely using Apple's PencilKit with a given topic. Let's start by creating a new SwiftUI project in Xcode. Choose App, then click Next. I'll name it Drawing Challenge. Please remember to set Testing System to None and Storage to None, as we won't suppose to do it in this video scope. The project has been created successfully. Let's try how it looks by default. I click Run here. It contains a small icon and Hello World text. Let's move on. Firstly, we create a new file called CanvasView.swift. Choose an empty file, then name as CanvasView.swift here. This will wrap PKCanvasView from UIKit using UIViewRepresentable. Import PencilKit here. Struct CanvasView. UIViewRepresentable. It requires us to create two required functions. The first one is makeViewUI, which is returning in PKCanvasView here. The second one is updateUIView. I will leave it empty for now. In makeUIView function, we will create a PKCanvasView, then return it here. An important thing is that if we create it like this, it will require user to use pencil to draw. So I will set the property like CanvasView.drawingPolicy is any input. It will allow users to use finger for drawing easily. In the content view struct here, we will update like return the canvas view here. And let's see how it looks right now. I'm trying to draw something. Yeah, it sounds great. In the next step, we will add a tool picker, which allows users to choose the pen types or colors, rules, and something like a markers. I will create a property like let tool picker, which is a PK tool picker. Then I will set like tool picker set visibility to true, first responder to canvas view, then tool picker, add observer, a canvas view like this, then mark canvas view become first responder. Then, let's try seeing how it looks right now. Yeah. As you can see, we have a tool picker displayed. I'm trying to draw something. Eraser. Marker. A ruler. Wow, it's so cool, right? For now, as I told in the beginning of the video, we are going to a drawing challenge application, which means we will have a prompt topic and users should drawing a picture about this topic. I'm creating an HS stack here. To add the prompt on the left, then canvas view will be on the right. I will add a topic like draw a cat in cute style. For example, I will make it generated randomly later. Let's see on the preview screen. I think we should set application orientation to landscape only, like this. Then, change preview screen to landscape as well. Looks good for now, right? It's hard to recognize the drawing area. So I will change the background color to black. Nope, to yellow. All right. I will set the font for prompt to title. Add spacing to 20. It looks like crowded, right? I think I should change to VStack container. The topic should be on the top like this. Let's see how it looks right now. I click Run and see. I'm trying to draw something. Sounds good for now. The next steps, we will add a button to let user clear the canvas. Is it interested? I will add a H stack here. Then add a button. To use the image with system name, in case you don't know the name, let's open SF symbol application. I'm searching. Eraser. It's here. Let's copy the system name of it here then. Use it like this. I will add a spacer between the topic name and eraser button, like this. I want to make the topic to the center. I add one more spacer before it here. Looks good for now. Now, I'm formatting the eraser button. Resizable. Frame. To 40. And 40. And foreground color to black. Awesome. For now, we will make this function work. I'm creating a state drawing, which is PK drawing. Import PencilKit. Then in the Canvas view, I'm creating a binding. For drawing as well. In the Make UI View function, I set Canvas View, drawing to the binding drawing. Then back to Content View, update here, passing the drawing as binding here. Then I set drawing to new PK drawing like this. Whenever use click eraser button. One more step. I need to reset the drawing in update UI view function here. Check if different. Reassign here. Let's see how it looks right now. All right, it works well. The final step is that to display challenge topic randomly, right? So I am creating a list of challenges like draw a cat, draw a robot, add some emotion, draw a house with trees, draw your friends. Cool. I also create the index variable called current challenge index as int. Now I update here to challenges. Index here. Finally, I add the button next to eraser button to allow users to regenerate a new topic, like this. To help this function runs well, whenever user clicks on this button, we will generate a random topic in these 4 topics, right? I will set the current challenge index to a random modular. Challenges.count. Casting to int. All right, let's see how it looks right now. Awesome, it works, right? The topic is changed randomly when I click the button here. It's almost done. I think the topic prompt looks better. I'm adding a brush icon before the topic. Add padding. Add background color as blue. Set corner radius to 3. No, I think it should be H stack. Looks better. I also update corner radius to 20 for more visibility. Also, update topic as bold. All right, let's see. Choose a topic. Drawing something. Choose a color. I found that the tool picker doesn't work well, right? I cannot choose green color. Let's see. I need to create a coordinator here. Then move tool picker to here to retain the tool picker in context. If not, the tool picker will be recreated whenever view state changes. Update the create coordinator function. Then update make UI view here. Get tool picker from context.coordinator. All right, let's try. I click run again. Awesome, it works. What do you think we use this picture as the app icon as well? Sound good, right? I take a screenshots, then resize to 1024, 1024, then open asset here, app icon. Change appearances to none, drag the picture to here. Let's run again. All right, everything's working as expected. We've got the drawing prompt, tool picker, and canvas all in place. I hope you enjoyed building this with me. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SwiftUI hands-on content. See you in the next challenge.